Hello viewers, welcome to Kavi's Math Period. Let us learn trigonometry at home. So now here we are going to discuss about trigonometric ratios. That is how easy to remember trigonometric ratios. That is trigonometric ratios for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. The easiest way is first before starting the table, above the table write 0 and above 30 write 1 by 4 and above 45 1 by 2 and above 60 degree 3 by 4 and above 90 degree 1. Now based on these values 0, quarter, half, 3 by 4th and 1, it is very easy to write the trigonometric ratios. So first let us start with sin theta. For sin theta, let us take the initial value and the last value as it is. That is 0 and 1 as it is. Now for 30 degree we have to write the trigonometric ratio. So above 30 we have written 1 by 4. Just take the square root of this 1 by 4. So square root of 1 by 4. So square root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. Therefore, sin 30 will give you the value as 1 by 2. So, this is our value. Similarly, for 45 degree, take the square root of 1 by 2. So, square root of 1 by 2. So, root 1 is 1 and root 2 can be written as it is. So, this is 1 by root 2. And for 60 degree, let us take the square root of 3 by 4. Now on taking square root, this will become root 3 by 2. And the remaining values for 0 degree and 90 degree as it is taken as 0 and 1. So once we find the values for this sin theta, it is easy to calculate for the other trigonometric ratios. That is for cos theta, just reverse the value of sin theta. That is 1, here comes root 3 by 2, here comes 1 by root 2, then 1 by 2 and 0. Just reversing all the values. Now for tan theta we know tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. So we have to divide both the values. So sin theta, that is for 0 degree, sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. So 0 by 1 is 0. So this value will become 0. Similarly, we have to divide all the values, that is for tan 30 degree. So tan 30 means it is sin 30 by cos 30. So sin 30 is 1 by 2 by cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So now this value will become 2 will get cancelled. So it is 1 by root 3. So the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Similarly, for tan 45, 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. So this will become 1. And for tan 60 degree, root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. So the value will be root 3. And for tan 90 degree, so tan 90 degree equal to sin 90 degree by cos 90 degree. Sin 90 equal to 1 and cos 90 is 0. Therefore, this value will be undefined. Therefore, here in the table we can write this as undefined value. So, we know that cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Therefore, if we want cosecant 0, it is 1 by 0. So, as we know 1 by 0 is undefined. 1 by 0 is undefined. Therefore, this value will become undefined. So, next cosecant 30, it is 1 by sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So, it is 1 by 1 by 2. So, the value will become 2. Similarly, on finding the other values, we have got the value as this as root 2, 2 by root 3, 1. In the same way, secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. So secant 0 means 1 by cos 0. So cos 0 is 1. So 1 by 1 is 1. In the same way, secant 30 is 1 by cos 30. That is 1 by root 3 by 2. So it will become 2 by root 3. So similarly, other value will become so next cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. So now cot 0 equal to 1 by tan 0, that is 1 by 0. So 1 by 0 is undefined. Next cot 30 equal to 1 by tan 30, that is 1 by root 3. So it will become root 3. In the same way, other values become 1. This 1 by root 3. Then this value will become 0. So this is the easiest way to remember the table for all trigonometric ratios. Thank you.